Hi, I'm Ava here with Simply Ride, and I'm going to show you how to wash the bike. So this bike got really dirty from out riding, so I'm going to show you the products we're going to use, and then we're going to pressure wash it. So the products we're going to be using the waterless wash from Muc-Off, and then the Yamaha plastic coating. So now I'm just going to spray the whole bike, just like this, just to try to get all the dirt off. And we sell all these products here at Simply Ride. Seem to be coming off. We're going to want to spray that with the waterless wash, just like that, and then we're going to want to scrub it off. So there we go, all nice, white, and clean. There we go. As you can see, it just comes right off. So now I'm going to be pressure washing the bike just to get all the soap off. We're going to quick blow it off. There we go. So now I'm going to dry it off with a rag and spray the final touches on. So now that we have this side dry, we're just going to spray it on. And there you go. This is how you clean your bike. I'm Ava from Simply Ride.